Today I will be making a tutorial, another one, microbit tutorial of another project. This time it's not a remote controlled robot, but it's still gonna use the robot. This time the name is Line Follower. So let's just start it. So let's just name it. Line Follower. Oh, okay, hold on. I think there's a little problem with the connection. Alright, now we're in. We might need to add some extensions. Hold on. Alright. Okay, then so the extension will be, I'll put it in the description or continue. And now you go to basic. After that you take show icon. After that you change the icon to something that you like, anything that you like. And now let's start. So you will need to go to variables, like a variable, name it jarak. Yes, I'll press OK. Now you will have this. Now to start it, you will need to set jarak to 0, put it on forever, and then go to tiny bit. I think, yes, if I'm not mistaken. It's here. After it's like ultrasonic return distance, put it there. And now you will need to check logic. You go to logic. After that you take one of these, put it under here.
Today English club in afternoon.
Alright, now you will go to logic. Now that you go to take this, I think, hold on. Yes, you take that, so that you take this underlined forward. That, yes, under that you go to variables again. Take this variable, gotta put it there, and then change it to 10. Nice. Now you go here again, and now you take this, put it in here, and now you go to Dynamite again, take line sensor direct, put it there. Hold on, I'm sorry, it's a little mistake there from me. So you will actually not need that, and you will need something different. Yes. You're sorry, correct. You actually need this, and you just need to take this and put it there first. After that, you'll go back here, take this, then hold on. After that, put that in there. Nice. And then you take another one. Take another one of those, and then you change it to right state, and then you take car control speed run, and then change the speed to 60.
You may not use sandals here. Expo.
Yeah.
After that you press that plus button.
School.
Hold on. I'm sorry, there's a little bit confusion in here. hold on. I need to find out. What is oh, it's this. Sorry. So it's this actually. Sorry, very sorry about that. You just need to take away the else. After that, just repeat everything again. Very sorry. I will make this first. Hold on. Yeah, sorry. I don't really have any much preparation before this because, well, yeah, I just literally do it. I just did it. And then you just repeat this maybe a few, you repeat it like 4 times. So just make 4 if you want. Done. Now maybe you can just copy this, duplicate maybe, and then put it here. But please do mind changing it to this. From white to black, change both from white to black. After that, take this, but it's not run, it's spin left with the split 70. Actually, you can change the speed to anything you want. After that, you take this, put it here, change it to white again, change it to white again. After that, yeah. Take this, duplicate it, put it here, change it to spin right, and then duplicate this further one last time, put it there, this time change it to black again, and put it here, nothing change. Done. Alright, now just go back here, take car control on speed, hold on. Yes, car control speed, change the speed and to stop. After that, go to basic, take pause, change it to 1000. Done. Alright, so after that you just connect your USB cable to your laptop, and then to your microbit. After that you download it. And let's continue, go to the demonstration. Okay, so now we are with the map from the beam and scroll. We have to show that it's from the beam, and the track is also from the beam. So now once you're done importing the code into the microbit, you can continue with it with this. So down here, the robot has 2 sensors on the left. One of these will reflect a sensor, which a light, and the other will detect that light, and the light is deflected from the white point, and it will be deflected and then we deflect it to the black one. So maybe when you go straight, and because the black doesn't deflect any light, it looks at them and it touches black. That's how it knows which either it's white or black. When it turns, it will turn and then continue here, and then yes, it works like that. Alright, let's try this. So me and my friend have tried doing this for several minutes, like probably not 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes or more. I need to turn this one on because it's not easy to do this. Turn properly. It's stuck. It's really easy to remove. But it should work like that. So when it goes here, so if you start turning slowly, it turns slowly. Yeah, when we first try this thing, it's starting to turn, but like, I think the wheel is like stuck or something. Because it's turning slowly. It's starting to work very, very slowly. This is only a 2 sensor robot. And So every time it looks like this, it's trying to turn, but it didn't turn for some reason. And it's trying to turn like that. Yeah. When we first tried doing this, actually it went very well for and now we tried again for the project. It's like been like a few months, like 1 or 2 months since the last time we did this. But now, maybe that is all. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this is useful and good luck on time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.